Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to backup data on your LENOVO 14e Chromebook. For applications and downloads, you can back them up to Google Drive, which is one of the default destinations in the Files application. Open the Files app, grab the file you want to back up, cut it, and paste it into your Google Drive directory. Once it's in Drive and your device is connected to the internet, the data syncs automatically and is backed up. To back up Linux data and applications, insert a USB flash drive into one of the USB 3.0 ports on either edge. Open the Launch menu, go to Settings, then About Chrome OS, and enable the Linux development environment if you haven't already. After enabling it, go to Backup and Restore, then Backup Linux Apps and Files, click Backup, and select the folder you want to back up, such as the Linux Files folder. Wait for the backup to finish, which may take a while. That's pretty much how you do it. Thank you for watching. If this helped, please subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.